Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. We have these two beauties to review in this video. This is the Shelby GT 500 stock. I'll start with the stock Shelby GT 500 car. Let's check the packaging. Okay, we have a great looking muscle car with a serial number of 615, signature Shelby Cobra branding, and Ford licensing on the back. Okay, let's open it up. Nice side profile for a muscle car with a longer portion for the engine bay. Minimalistic design, nothing too complicated, neat and clean, classy. We have a black strip with Shelby badging, nothing much. This seems ornamental. Simplistic tire, rubber tires, they roll well. The side mirrors are rubber. The back side is beautifully designed to the accuracy of the real car. You can see the Shelby Cobra engraved in the middle. The tail lights perfectly aligned with the real car to the specifications, to the scale. We have quadruple silencers for extra power. No complaints. You can observe the spoiler is not slightly. It's a wide body. You can observe it's a wide body spoiler compared to the last S15 silhouettes we had reviewed. These give a good downforce to the car. Again, nothing too complicated on the right side profile. That silvery shine really makes it stand out. Sort of feels like chrome. What do we have here? Let me zoom in. It's tough. Oh, I had to zoom in for this absolutely minutely, microscopic engraving they have put. It's written signature edition. Great detailing by MiniGT. Absolutely superb. Let me just zoom out. Okay. I mean, the level of detailing of MiniGT has gone to the next level. Okay, so let's start with the latest release, Shelby GT Dragon Snake concept in black and gold livery. Packaging really feels heavy. Okay, so we have the black and gold coloring. The livery contains the dragon snake design, the engraving of King Cobra on the sides. This is something new. We have seen the brand, but they are coming out boldly with the words Shelby GT logo and the licensing from Ford. Let's check it out. Whew. This one gives me the oomph. Seriously, this looks stunning. Okay, so the first and foremost difference I find with the stock Shelby GT 500 is the design seems slightly, uh, I will say, trimmed from the front. From the back side, you can clearly see the spoiler at an obtuse angle, and the livery is quite different from what we usually see in Shelby GT 500 cars. From the front, it has the same wide body stance. From the front, it has the same wide body stance. Nothing unusual from the front side. Large grills. Large grills from the front and vents on the top side of the engine hood. From this side, not much difference of livery and branding. I'll just put some light. Okay. So here we have clearly engraved brand design by Ford and Shelby. The same old quadruple exhaust system. So let me give you a brief about this design. I read that during the 1960s, Shelby GT 500 was modified for drag races with a signature name of what they've mentioned here, the Dragon Snake. So this car is specifically for drag races and it's called Dragon Snake. The branding which you see here, Motion Performance Inc., is the, let me zoom in, I hope you're able to see, Motion Performance Inc. It's a New York based company which modifies car bodies for specific races or utilities, whatever it would be. And this specific design is for a drag race. And one more major thing about this car in real life is it produces one more major thing about this car in real life is it produces an output of 800 HP. 800 for a regular stock Shelby GT 500 model. The power output would be around 560 to 600k, but this one specifically for drag races with an output of 800 plus HP. It's a beast. It's a behemoth. I do hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share, and put your inputs what more I can do in the comment box. Thank you.